One of the students was asking me about what are the entry level jobs or roles available in the Indian job market in the YouTube comment section. So in today's topic, I am going to explain that in a detailed manner. So let's get started. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. And if you are new to this channel, I am going to introduce myself a little detailed. So I am having around 24 years of experience in product management and UX design. And also I am running my product design studio Revolution for almost 15 years. Also I am running this Aspira design education for 7+ years. And I personally mentored 10,000 plus students in my career. And I launched 300+ products. So overall my experience, I am going to talk about this question. So the entry level jobs and roles for the UX and UI design. 1. UX designer. So this role is more focused on user research, wireframe, prototyping and usability testing. So ensure that the product should be user friendly and you should solve the problem for the users. So you need to work closely with the designers and the stakeholders. 2. UI designer. This role is focused on visual design, UI design, typography, font, color schemes and creating the high fidelity design. High fidelity is nothing but it's look like a mobile or real world application design. So you have to closely work with UX designers and product designers, also UI developers. So you are responsible for converting these wireframes into life. 3. UX researcher. So you are going to conducting user interviews, surveys, understand the user pain points, understand their behaviors and working on the solutions. So you need to analyze the user pain points and behaviors. You have to take a data driven decisions. 4. Product designers, junior level. So you have to involve both UX and UI design and you will be creating the application design from the scratch. You will be involving from the wireframe to the final UI design. So you have to focus on business goals. So design end-to-end experience from wireframe to final UI. So works closely with the product managers and designers and developers. 5. Interaction designer, specializing on micro interactions and animations, designing engaging user flows and the interfaces. You need to ensure the seamless interactions between the users and the interfaces. 6. UX writer. So you need to write a clear and engaging micro copy for buttons, small descriptions, content in the apps. So you need to help to create the consistent brand voice throughout the app. So you need to closely work with the designers to ensure the seamless experiences. 7. Visual designer. UI focused visual design, right? It's not a graphic designer. So you are going to creating the stunning UI elements, interface designs, buttons, icons, illustrations for the apps. Also you need to working on marketing creatives and web pages and emailers. This is all you are going to help the marketing team to promote your app. So fundamentally you are going to create the application design, either the UI designer, UX designer, they are one who creates the entire visually appealing app design. Then you are helping the marketing team to promote this application design into these forms. So you create a landing page for the app that is going to be one page, web page, right? So in that aspect only I am talking about. This is a visual designer on the UI focus. So you have to collaborate with the UX and UI design team for a consistency of the designs. Alright, so I explained 7 different roles and responsibilities for the junior level or entry level UX UI design role. So if I missed out anything, please let me know in the comment section. So I will also learn from you. And also if you think these all are the too much elaborated, that is also you can share your feedback on the comments so that I can do my due diligence on these roles and responsibilities. I can able to refine the content. I hope you like this topic and you feel it's very meaningful and it will be helpful for somebody. Please share it with your friend circles. Also my recommendation, please like and subscribe this channel so that whenever we are releasing a video, it will be coming to your timeline without fail. Alright, so I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.